A very good morning to all my dear children. Today is Monday and we will study English. Children, in today's class, we will read page number 15, 18 and 31 from Fitzroy Reader book. After that, children, we will do activity mentioned on page number 47 in Phonics Pupil book. Today, I will teach you to write cursive X and Z in English notebook as well as in the workbook. After that, I will teach you to write cursive A to Z in series in the notebook. Children, today we will practice our rhymes, all things, Billy Boy and traffic lights. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, now bring your Fitzroy Reader's book. Children, now come to page number 15. Open page number 15, story 1. Children, we have read the story. Today we are going to revise the words which we have learned so far. This is capital A, and capital A in a story and or in a sentence we will read it like a. This is small a, on, in, at a fat, at a cat, at a mat, at a sat, at a rat, at a bat, at a hat, and. Children, this is a special word, and. Now some new words. And a man, and a had, and and a can. Now open page number 18. Now story 2. Letters we know. This is P, G, J and W. These all are small print form letters. P, G, J and W. Now words we know. This is a. This is small a. A and D and, her and a had. In a in, on a on, it a it. Ka at a cat, ka and a can, and a man. At a fat, her at a hat, at a mat. In this way you have to read page number 18. Children, now come to page number 31. 31. Story 2, words we have used. This is capital A and this is small a. On, in, pa ig a pig, da id a did, ba ig a big, ig a fig, wa ig a wig, ja ig a jig, ha ad a had, ba it a bit. Now some new words. It a fit, ha im a him, ta ip a tip. In this way, children, you have to revise the words which we have learned so far. Children, now bring your Phonics Pupil Book 1. And now open page number 47 of your book. Now children, what you have to do? You have to fill in the missing words in these sentences. Now see children, the first sentence is the dash, is is hot. The dash is hot. Look at this picture. This picture is of pie. So what you have to write? Pie. How you will write? The pie is hot. So write like this. Pie. The pie is hot. Now children, look here. Who is this? He is a frog and his color is green. Now see. The frog. Is is green. The frog is green. Now we will write frog. So how you will write? In this way you have to write. The frog is green. So children, the frog is green. We have done second one. Now we come to the next sentence. The. Look here. What is this, children? This is a tent. Tent. Is is big. The tent is big. This is a big tent. Now let's write. So you have to say the sound. Tent. The tent is big. Children, look here. This is a B. So T-H-E, the, B-E-B, F-L-I-E-S, flies. The bee flies. F-L-I-S, flies. So how you will write? B-E-B. The bee flies. In this way, children, you have to finish the first part. Now, let's move toward the second part. Let's read the instruction. Fill in the missing words and color the picture to match the sentence. Children, in this part, we have to color also. So, this is very interesting. Now, see. T-H-E, the. What is this? This is a car. The car. Now, let's write car. K-R. Car. The car, I-S is red. The car is red. So we have to color this car with red color. So now let's color it. Children, now see the color of the car is red. T-H-E, the, K-R, car, I-S is red. The car is red. Now the second one, let's move toward the second sentence. I-C-T-H-E, the, G-R-E-N, green. Now see children, there is a dash. So I see the green tree. So we will write tree here. How? Now look here. T-R-E, tree. In this way you have to write tree. And then you have to color the tree with green color. Look here. In this way you have to color the tree green. Okay. Now the next sentence is T-H-E, the, dash, I-S is pink. The dash is pink. Children, look here. What is this? This is a fish. The fish. Fish is pink. So, the fish is pink. You have to color the fish with pink color. First, we will write fish. How you will write? Look here. The fish is pink. Now, let's color the fish with pink color. Like this. So, the fish is pink. I have colored the fish with pink color. In this way, you have to do. Now, children, look here. T-H-E, the last sentence. T-H-E, the, dash, I-S is B-L-U-E, blue. What is this? This is a pen. The pen is blue. So, you have to color the pen with blue color. First, we will write pen. Pen. In this way, you have to write. Now, we will color the pen with blue color. So, use your blue color to color this pen. In this way, you have to color this pen with blue color. Children, in this way, you have to finish this page. So, finish it up, take its picture and send it to me. Children, today I will teach you to write two cursive letters. And they are cursive X and cursive Z. So, let's start it, children. This is today's date. Today is 15th March 2021. Children, in the first three blocks, we will write cursive X, and in the next two blocks, we will write cursive Z. So, let's start. Put your pencil on the second blue line. From here, you have to go up, touch the first blue line, then come down like this. And then again, you have to go up and you have to make cursive C like this. In this way, you have to write cursive X. Again, look here, children. Go up, touch the first blue line, then come down like this. Make a semicircle. And again, trace on it. And from here, you have to go up and then you have to make cursive C like this. And you have to remove your hand now. In this way, you have to write cursive X. Again. make a slanting line, then go down, make a semicircle, and then in this way you have to write cursive X. Now in the next two blocks we will write cursive Z. From here again you have to make a semicircle like this, and then you have to go down, again make a semicircle and then turn it a little bit. In this way you have to write cursive Z. See again. Children, now I will show you how you will write in the notebook. Children, now I will teach you to write cursive X and Z in the notebook. First, write today's date. Today is 15th March 2021, like this. Now let's write cursive X. In first 3 lines you have to write cursive X, and in the next 2 lines you have to write Z. So let's start. Children, put your pencil on the second blue line, take support of this red line, make a slanting line, and then you have to make a semicircle like this. And again go up and then make cursive C. So these two should be attached to each other. There should be no gap. And then you have to remove your hand. In this way, you have to write cursive X like this. Don't remove your hand in between. After finishing X, then only you have to remove your hand. In this way, you have to finish the first line. Now come to the second line. In this way, children, you have to write cursive X. Like this, children. Now, we will write cursive Z. How you will write? See, put your pencil on the second blue line. First you have to make a slanting line, then you have to make a semicircle like this. Then again you have to go down. Again make a semicircle and then turn it a little bit like this. In this way. See. Then you have to take it up like this. Put your pencil on the second blue line, make a slanting line, again make a semicircle, then go down, touch the red line and then go up till here. So children, this is the last block. In this way you have to write cursive Z. See, like this. In this way, you have to write one page of X and Z in your English notebook. Children, now bring your My First Stride in English workbook. And now open page number 106. Today we are going to write cursive X. So you have to join the dots and write X here. First, you have to decorate the Christmas tree, Xmas tree. Okay, so you have to color it and then you can decorate it by making stars, balls and candles. Alright children, so let's start writing. Join the dots, put your pencil here, and in this way you have to trace and write X the way I taught you. See. Like this. And from here you have to write the way I taught you again. See, like this. In the same manner you have to finish the second line, and from here you have to write on your own like this. Again in the third line also you have to trace and write, and after that you have to put your pencil on the pink line and then you have to write like this till here. So children, you have to finish this page today. Page number 106. And this page you can do it afterwards. Cursive X. Like this, you have to finish this page. Now come to page number 114. Open page number 114 of your workbook. Today we will write cursive Z. Z for zebra. So you have to color the zebra crossing. Alright children. Now let's trace and write Z. Put your pencil here. And you have to make Z. You have to trace and write it till here. And from here you have to write the way I taught you in the notebook, like this. In this way you have to finish the second line, and on the dots you have to write Z the way I taught you in the notebook, like this. Today you have to finish this page. Like this children. And this page you can do it afterwards. Put your pencil on the pink dot, go up, touch the blue line, make a semicircle, again go down and turn it a little bit. Like this. You have to write cursive Z. You have to finish this page also children. In this way children, you have to write X and Z in the workbook. Today I will teach you to write A to Z in series. So first write today's date. In the notebook, today is 15th March 2021, like this. So now let's start. In the first line, you have to write cursive A dash cursive Z. In this way you have to write. Now let's start writing. First, we will start from cursive A. A, B, like this. C, now you all know. D, see how I am writing? E. After E comes F, like this. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and here comes Z. Children, in this way you have to write cursive A to Z in the English notebook. Write it, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to revise our rhymes. The first rhyme which we will revise today is all things. So let's start. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful. The good Lord made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors. He made their tiny wings. Children, in this way, remember you have to revise and recite this rhyme with actions. Children, now comes our second rhyme and its name is Billy Boy. So let's recite it. Billy Boy Blue, come, blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Is that the way you mind your sheep? Under the haystack, fast asleep. In this way, children, you have to recite this rhyme, Billy Boy. Children, now we will recite the third rhyme and its name is Traffic Lights. Let's start. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop. stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean, wait, till the light goes green. Green light, what do you say? I say, go right away. Children, in this way, you have to learn and recite these 3 rhymes. All things, Billy Boy and traffic lights. So make your videos on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.